Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Classy Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic Gmail notification not working, how to fix the error. Starting with Gmail notification. If you receive an email, you will get a notification regarding it. The new message will appear at the top and the older mails will be shown below. The user has to click on the mail to open it. The user can also reply to the sender by clicking on the reply option. All the mails of the users are saved in the cloud and the user can get the messages on any device or web browser. Gmail has introduced Google Meet where the user can join the video from Gmail itself. Next is why Gmail notification not working. There are various reasons for Gmail notification not working on a user's device. There can be a system bug that might prevent the notification. The notification can be disabled by the user itself. The system optimization might prevent Gmail from working in the background forcibly. There can be issues with the syncing of the messages. Sometimes if the power mode is on, the device might not give the notifications to the users. So the point comes, how to fix Gmail notification which are not working. There are few of the methods, starting with one by one. Method 1, keep Gmail notification on. The users can accidentally put the notification setting off. There might be the reason he or she is not getting any notification from Gmail. In such a case, the user has to keep the notification on by going to the application. So the user needs to click on the menu and go to settings. He needs to scroll to his account and click on the notification option. He has to choose on option to keep his notifications coming. Method 2, adjust setting for sync. There are notification settings for label and sync messages in Gmail. To adjust the settings, the user needs to launch Gmail on the mobile phone, click on settings and choose his account. Now find manage labels and tap on the desired label. Again, find the sync messages option and turn it on. The user can also adjust the sync messages to the last 30 days or all the option. This will fix the Gmail notification not working problem. Method 3, turn off power saving mode. Sometimes when the user have enabled power saving mode, the mobile does not give any notification to the user. Gmail notifications can also be stopped because of this. To turn off power saving mode, the user needs to go to notification bar at the top and slide it down. Turn on it, tap on it to turn it off. Some mobile phones do not keep it on the notification bar. In such a case, the user has to find the option in the settings and then turn it off. Method 4, update the system software or Gmail app. The users do not pay attention to update the system software. This causes unusual activity in the mobile phone, like it keeps freezing and the application are not loaded. This can stop notifications. In this, the user needs to check updates on his mobile phone and keep it updated. Method 5, uninstall the application. When the user has tried all of the above methods and still cannot find a solution for the notification problem, then the best thing to do is uninstall it. The applications have problem which cannot be fixed by the user. In these cases, the user can uninstall the application and install it back again. This might fix issue of Gmail notification not working with the app. Last but not the least, conclusion. Gmail is a worldwide popular application for sending and receiving emails. In short, it is used by almost 1.5 billion active users. The user has to create a Google account to use it. The user can follow few steps to create a Google account. There are guidelines to use Gmail for sending mails and replying to received emails. Some issues with Gmail such as error in syncing, missing mails, verification and loading issues. Also, there is an issue with Gmail notification not working as well. It has various reasons for not working. The user needs to identify the reasons and fix them accordingly. In other words, there are various methods to fix the issue we have explained in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel. And don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.